Hi, this is Purva from Bimser International, and today I'll be demonstrating to you QDMS. QDMS is our Quality Document Management System. So this is a demo environment for QDMS. So it is a web-based system and can be accessed using any web browser. And it is also a permission-based system, so not everyone has access to everything in the system. Right now, I'm logged in as an administrator, so I'm able to access everything in the system. So after logging in here, we can also find this main dashboard where we have these widgets. For example, we have some of our requests for approval, as well as pending tasks. And you can have a quick connection by opening these widgets from your homepage. So for example, we have our documents for approval request. And you can always customize these the way that you want to. And on our top left here is the main menu of QDMS. Here you can find all the different modules. And as you can see here, we have more than 30 modules. And because of this modular structure, you can pick and choose the ones that you want to deploy on your cloud or on-premise server. So for example, we have our control document management module. So here you can upload your control documents, for instance, SOPs, specifications, procedures, policies, and so on to the system. And if there is any version update to your control documents, you can also start a revision process in this module. And in addition, you can also manage the folder structure based on document type, department, and location. And QDMS consists of different document formats from a PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, video, audio, and so on. So let's go into one of these folders and view our document. So in order to view the documents, QDMS has a built-in browser that enables us to view the document in the system. So here is a document. And on the top, there are different tabs that show the related information to your document. For example, document information, as well as the revision info, the permission list, as well as the approval list and the distribution, as well as action history of the document. So moving on, there is also a reporting tool that is available. Actually, there's a reporting tool available in every module in QDMS. So for example, let's go ahead and view one of the reports. So let's do the document status report. So before generating the report, you can put the conditions or criteria on it. And you're also more than welcome to export this to an Excel or a PDF file. So we can input the information such as the status of a document, as well as the draft status. And we can also choose a parent folder, document code, the name, the creation date, as well as the date that it was revised at. And we can also select the document type, as well as the document owner, the creator, and so on. And let's go on to our other module here, which is the external customer complaints module. So you can record all the customer complaints or feedback by using this module, and all the records will be recorded in a different status based on the progress of them. And the system allows you to save the complaint with customer name, complaint detail, department, location, and so on. So for instance, let's view one of the customer complaints. So as you can see here, we have the record number, the opener when it was opened at, as well as the description, the detail, the complaint category. And we also can assign a team. So we have the team leader, the responsible department, as well as team members. And just to show you how we can actually create another complaint here. So we can put in the customer description, the complaint detail, the location, the complaint category. And once we do that, the team has to, once this complaint is submitted, this will be assigned to a solution team. So the solution team has to file the first investigation report. Based on that investigation, the team can also assign tasks to other responsible users. And before closing the record, a final report is required from the solution team. So as you can see here, we can choose a team leader, the responsible department in this case, as well as team members, and the first improvement, and also the first improvement report date, just a planned date. And we can also attach any documents that we want to. And so that would be the external customer complaints module. Moving on, let's go to our corrective actions, or CAPA. And here you can record all the corrective actions by using this module. And all the records will be recorded in different status based on the progress. And so here is some of our activities. So let's try to create one right here. So here you can choose the source as well as the department, the location, nonconformity, as well as the nonconformity description and nonconformity category. And after that, this complaint will be assigned to a solution team. And that solution team can then, the solution team then has to file the first investigation report and define the root cause. And based upon that root cause, the team can also assign tasks to other responsible users. And before closing the record, a final report is required from the solution team. And that is it for the CAPA module. Let's go to our audit module right here. So here is our audit module. So you can use this module for both internal and external audit. So you can use it, for example, auditing your employees, vendors, suppliers, subcontractors, and so on. So here are some of the audits that we have. So as you can see here, we have each audit has specified code as well as the definition. And we can also see the lead auditor as well as the audit team and the last audit date. So let's create one, for instance. So we have to put a specific code for the audit as well as the audit date, and the finish date for the audit. And we can also choose the time, the subject, the status, and we can also choose a lead auditor as well as the audit team members and the auditor unit that is responsible. And we can also attach documents here. And that is how we can complete our audit. And lastly, let's go into our risk assessment module here. So you can use this module for all of your risk assessments. And for instance, we have one right here. So as you can see here, we have a specific code that is associated to the risk assessment form, as well as the definition and the responsible user groups. So this concludes my demonstration today on a high level on QDMS and some of the modules that are included in the system. Thank you for watching.